In the late 1970s, Kingsburg underwent an intense rebranding initiative designed to recognize the Swedish heritage indelibly linked to the city of Kingsburg. It was decades overdue, as far back as 1921, when local architect and builder Anton Johnson was asked to design the new Kingsburg Bank on the southwest corner of Lincoln and Draper Streets. His design was a duplicate of a bank in Gothenburg, Sweden. In 1924, the Concordia Linnaeus Society launched what would become an annual Swedish festival, and in 1925, the Kingsburg High School changed its mascot from the gold bug to the Viking. Although it would take 2 decades to complete, in 1965 the concept of a Swedish village began to gain momentum. Gunnarsson's department store, most recently Wood's Apparel Shop, on the northwest corner of Smith and Draper Streets, was the first to embrace the new Swedish facade. Several other stores immediately followed suit. Olsen Brothers, Kingsburg Feed Store, and in 1972, the Swedish Mill restaurant and gift shop would become a cornerstone of Kingsburg's Swedish attraction. By 1973, even the Kingsburg Fire Department had joined the party. In 1977, a group of Kingsburg High School art students, led by their teacher, Mrs. Phillips Johnson, decided that they wanted to make their own mark on the Kingsburg Swedish Village. The students designed and painted the mural, which depicts the half-timbered Swedish motif embraced by businesses along the Draper Street. Agricultural products of Kingsburg, the Swedish mill, a maypole, and a welcoming message, a Dala horse, and a Viking ship sporting a Swedish flag as a sail also appear in the colorful mural. Each student submitted their design, and the best parts of each were taken and merged into the mural entitled The Spirit of Kingsburg. It took over 100 hours to complete this project, including a canvas duplicate used later that year as part of the Kingsburg exhibit at the Fresno County Fair.